All right, for the cotan, we have a shift down of 1, and this too is multiplying to the x, so that's going to change the period. Since it's multiplying the x, it always does the opposite of what you'd think. So the period is halved instead of multiplied by 2. So the period normally is 1 pi, but now the new period is going to be half of that. So the new period is pi over 2. So let's see, the shift down will make the center at -1 down here. And then the amplitude is still 1, so it's up 0, -2, 1 up, 1 down. And then there's no shift left or right, but there is, so we are starting the wave of cotan where it normally would start, is where the asymptote is at here. And normally it would end at pi, would be the next asymptote. But this time the period is only half as long, so it's really pi over 2 is where that line is. Then half of that would be pi over 4. And that's where the center of the wave is, which normally would be up here, but now since it was a shift down, it's right here. And then the graph goes this direction, this way. So right down the middle here is where it's at the top, and right down the middle here is where it's at the bottom point here. So this is pi over halfway here would be pi over 8, and then this will be something pi over 8. It's just short of a half, so that would be 3 pi over 8. Okay, so now this wave goes like this. It's like a parabola piece, and then a parabola piece down.